Recruiter Dash is where all the magic happens. From viewing the candidates, sending private messages, adding private notes, to the world's most human way of shortlisting candidates. Let's say goodbye to cover letters. In Recruiter Dash, you can manage all of your job ads and, most importantly, view applications. The first thing you'll see is that all new candidates are placed in the new list. Simply click on the card to review the application. Now you can watch the video application on the left.
Hello, I've just seen your post on Verb and had to apply. I feel like we go hand in hand like peanut butter and jelly. I think we've got the same values, the same will to succeed.
You can use the inbox section in the middle to privately message the candidate. The private notes section on the right is exclusively for your reference. Leave any notes you have on the candidate for future use. You can also share the application by copying the link, making it easy to involve your hiring team in the decision-making process. Now is the time for shortlisting. For any potential candidates, drag and drop them into the shortlist. For those who don't make the open role, pop them in the hide list. It's as simple as that. You also have the option to create custom lists. Name the list. Drag any candidates into it. Customize your lists for better organization. No need to send individual messages to multiple candidates anymore. The broadcast feature allows you to send a message to all candidates in the same list, all at once. This can surely save you so much time. Sometimes job seekers may send a direct link to their Verb application without applying to the job ad. When you receive the direct link, you can save the application. Then these specific Verb applications will be saved in the inbox section of your Recruiter Dash. Lastly, when you find a candidate that may be suitable for future roles in your company, save them to the talent pool using the star button. This way you can easily access them in your talent pool section. Not only that, but you can find the star button on any UseVerb member's profile right next to their name. Click the star button and save them in your talent pool. Recruiter Dash empowers you to streamline talent acquisition like never before. Unlock its potential and find the perfect fit for your team.